Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change keyboard language in Windows 11 PC. For this, first you need to add a language on your Windows PC. For this, click on this one start button, then select here settings option. In the settings window, click on time and language in the left sidebar. On the right, click on this one language and region. Then click on this one, add a language beside preferred languages option. Now you can scroll down and select a language, or otherwise just type the language name and select in this one drop down menu. Then click on this one next button. This will add your selected language on your Windows 10 PC. Leave these one options default and click on this one install button. Once the language pack will be installed, you will see in the taskbar option. Here you can see a language option and you can switch your language from here. Just let it be installed and then I will show you how you can change your keyboard language on Windows 11 PC. Once language pack get installed, click on language option on the taskbar and here you will see the language changing option. Just select your preferred language and it will set your keyboard language on that language. For instance, I have selected Hindi and you can see I can type in Hindi because my Windows 11 keyboard has now changed in Hindi language.